Hey guys, it's Zoe and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we're making cheesy ham and egg toast. First we're going to preheat the oven to 350. Now we're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. We do not have a baking sheet that fits in our toaster oven, so we're just going to use a pie pan. And then we're going to put the bread in and use a measuring cup to create a divot.
Fun facts with Max.
Did you know a divot is a loose piece that is dug out?
If you're feeling real creative, you can make a little sandwich with these two pieces of bread. Now we're gonna butter the edges of the bread, and then after that, put a piece of ham in the center of the hole and crack an egg inside. And now we're gonna sprinkle some cheese. Now we're going to put it in and bake it for 15 minutes. Now that it's done, we're going to serve it up on a plate. That actually makes me think of my new dance. Serve it. Today we're featuring Molly in Ohio, who's making my Nutella. She also has a food processor. I see you, girl. That Nutella's looking good. If you want to be featured, go follow my Instagram, @KidsCookingWithZoe. And post your photos or videos with the hashtag KidsCookingWithZoe. You can use fresh chives or parsley to decorate your toast. My brother, as you know, probably would not like this. He only likes scrambled eggs.
With cheese, of course.
Yes, with cheese. So we're gonna let my dad taste test it this time.
All right, here we go.
It's gonna be... You're trying to not get the egg.
I got the egg. Here we go.
How is it? Good?
Yeah, really good.
Well,
Max is really good.
That's good. He likes it.
I'll give it a 10.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Happy eating.